Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all the Roku users out there who need a replacement remote. This is the best Roku stick remote replacement available in the market, and we'll break down all its key features that make it a must-have accessory for your Roku setup. First, let's talk about compatibility. This remote is designed specifically for Roku streaming devices, including Roku Streaming Stick, Roku TV, and Roku audio systems. Whether you have a Roku TV from TCL, Hisense, Sharp, or another brand, this universal remote will work seamlessly with all of them. It supports multiple Roku devices, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Setting up this remote is a breeze. The pairing process is simple and straightforward. All you have to do is open the battery cover, install the batteries, and press and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds. Within moments, your remote will be paired with your Roku device, ready to go. One of the standout features of this remote is the voice control capability. If you're tired of scrolling through menus, just speak into the remote and let it do the work for you. It's a real game changer, making navigation on your Roku much faster and more intuitive. The remote also comes with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons, which makes accessing your favorite streaming apps even easier. You can instantly jump to Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Sling TV with just the press of a button. No more fumbling around to find the right app, it's all right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about durability. This remote is built to last. It's been tested to handle over 120,000 total button presses, and it works reliably at a range of up to 35 feet. So, whether you're lounging on the couch or sitting at the back of the room, you can expect consistent performance. As for after-sales support, the brand provides excellent customer service. If you run into any issues or are not completely satisfied with the product, they offer a prompt resolution to ensure you get the best experience possible. So, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use replacement remote for your Roku stick, this is definitely the way to go. It's compatible, durable, and packed with convenient features like voice control and app shortcuts. Don't miss out on this great upgrade to your Roku setup. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critique reviews. See you next time.